Everyone, welcome back. So I'm doing a haul of all of the fall things that I got. This is definitely my first time decorating for the fall ever. So if you haven't seen my shop along with me video, go check that out. The link will be in the description box. And let's jump into this. So I went into 3 different stores. I went to Dollar Tree, I went to Michael's, and I went to Joann's. I forgot. And Sam went along with me, and we got some good stuff. So let's start with Joann's. Okay, so I got this Natural Accents Vine Garland. I think it's really dope. It's like woodsy and earthy, and I like it. It's pretty much kind of like this big ball. It was, I think it was $7.99, but then I also had the 60% off coupon at Joann's. It is 2 yards, and 4 inches wide, and I think that will work great on my table. I'm looking over there because my table's over there. It's not that big, so it should be cool. I got some exciting plans for this, and I plan on doing a decorate with me, or whatever you want to call it, video. I haven't done too many videos on YouTube, so I'm starting back thanks to my husband. Shout out for the spouse pusher. That's not a word, but I'm gonna roll with it. Okay. I also got this really cute pumpkin. It's so pretty. It's gray and it has a little bit of white in it. And it has like this, I don't want to call it brass. I guess it's kind of like gold, but it's weathered. The stem with the little curly cues, and it's so textured and squishy. And this is $14.99 with 60% off. So if you go to Joann's right now, well, I don't know when I'm putting this up, but if you go to Joann's right now, they're doing 60% off on most of their fall decor. So that will be a good save, because I was trying not to spend too much, but of course I went over my budget. So love this. Really cute. Okay. Then I also got this big pumpkin, which I'm so excited for. It's like a paper mache pumpkin from Joann's. It was $12.99 with 60% off, or 70. No, it's 50% off. This one. I think I want to paint it purple, and I'm going to cut the bottom out and put in some LED lights, and then some string lights, and then also I think I'm going to accent it with some glitter. I may do something different, I'm not sure, and I'll probably make this like green or brown or something, I don't know, but I'm really excited about this. Okay, and then the last thing that I got from Joann's was these Simply Autumn tapered unscented candlesticks in gray, but they're so pretty because they look like the cable knit sweaters. I just love it. I can't wait. I'm probably gonna put glitter all over the tips to kind of go with the glitzy but not too glitzy fall decor that I want to have going on. So excited about that. Okay, so next let's go to the things that I got from the Dollar Tree. So first I got these two like almost like wheat type of looking plant stalks, whatever they're called, but I thought they were really pretty. I like the color. Doesn't 100% go with the color scheme, but I think that it'll all mesh well. And then I got 3 of these cotton. This is like the first thing I saw. I've always kind of wanted this, but I've always had mixed feelings about having cotton in the house. But I think that it's pretty. I think that it'll bring another dynamic to the fall. Another reason to be grateful. So I got these, liking this. Right, and then I also picked up 5 packets of these burlap leaves, And I'm really excited because my plan is to put Mod Podge all over it and put silver glitter everywhere. And then I want to turn it into like a table runner. So super excited for that. I'm planning on combining this, and it has like these ties on the back. Combining this with the rustic of, the garland, the rustic garland. Kind of have like this rustic glam type of look going on. Pretty excited about that. Also got this acorn, and I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to put this in the drink station or if I'm going to put this on the table. It has a little string to hang, and I think this might be like a good little sign that I want to make to put on by the drink station. Okay, then I also got another acorn. At first I was trying to stay away from pumpkins, but that didn't work out too well. So I was getting like acorns and other things like the cotton, the wheat, but I ended up getting quite a few pumpkins. So yeah. So, but I plan to glitter this out, silver glitter. I'm gonna say it's a napkin holder, but it's kind of not wide enough to hold napkins. So if you know what this is actually intended for, let me know in the comments below. And then I picked up 4 of the coasters. My plan is to cover these and decorate them, fall inspire them. So I didn't really care which ones I got because I knew I wasn't gonna keep them as is. Also got some burlap. It is 2 yards long and 2.5 inches wide, and I want to use this on the vase that I got for the floral arrangement, and probably somewhere else too. You can never go wrong with burlap. So then next I got this pumpkin. It's all glittery and gorgeous. It's more of a, it's not really gold. It might be more like rose gold of color. It's beautiful though. I love it. And then I even like the green on the top, kind of like bring back in the earthy look. So I'm probably not going to change the stem. And then I also picked up another pumpkin. It's green, it's shiny, it's super cute. And it has like this brassy, weathered looking stem. So I'm excited for that. And then I got another pumpkin. This is orange, and I was trying to really steer away from the orange, but it didn't happen. But it's really pretty. It's a little, no, it's about the same size as this one. I just think this is really gorgeous. This will probably go into the tea area next. Okay, so the last 2 things I got from the Dollar Tree is, of course, another pumpkin. I really like it. I don't like that there are so many like patches and stuff missing from it, but I think that it's really pretty cute. Okay, so then I also picked up 2 of these trays. They are the fall leaf trays, and they also come in a red color and something else, but I'm not really sure where I'm going to put them on, if I'm going to keep them in the dining room or if I'm going to put them somewhere else, maybe even the coffee table. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so moving on to the last store, which is Michael's. Okay, so this is like the inspiration for it all. I went into Michael's because I'm always in there doing who knows what, and I saw this purple one, and then I also picked up a green one, and they had blue and orange, like a burnt orange and a burgundy color, but like this one I'm really loving it. I may put it on the table, but the table isn't all that large, so I think I may put it somewhere else in the living room. I have like a dining living room combo kind of thing going on, so I'm in love with it. I love the velvet, clearly, the couch, but I'm excited, and I really like the quality of it. Like, it's harder than most of the other ones that I saw, and it's done well. And then I picked up this bouquet of flowers, which I'm loving. I love the roses. I love like the little berry looking things. I just love it because it was so hard to find purple that was gonna go with what I was looking for. Oh, the pumpkins were $10 on sale. So they're on sale right now for $10. And the flowers were $10 as well, but they were on sale for $5. And then I also had a 20% off total purchase. And then I used some of my Joann coupons because Michaels accept competitive coupons, which I thought was pretty dope. But that's pretty much it for this haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope that you found a reason to be inspired. I hope that I see you again, that you see me again, because I started a YouTube channel like a while ago, but I wasn't really consistent. Like, you know, life happens. Got a full-time job, all that good stuff. But I really do want to get back into it. I want to be able to share and inspire you guys, and you guys inspire me, and just take you through this journey of becoming a licensed designer, because I'm excited and I want to, I don't know, grow and finish something I started. But anyway, enough of that. Stay tuned for the next video, which will be the decorating with me video. So you can see how I put all these things together. I'm excited to do them. I'm excited to show them. And I guess that's it. So I just want to say that I love you guys. Stay true to yourself. Be blessed. And I will see you in the next one. Bye. Because I'm LL Cool J or something. But I'm not.